a dump truck and the bulldozer at Belmont Park. They're involved in a large-scale excavation project right in the middle of the track, in the infield. The truck is extending. It's extending. The dirt is flowing. A large load is being deposited. And here comes the bulldozer to smooth things out. Lots of action at the track. Construction action, digging action, bulldozer action, dump truck action. See, this is the infield. To our left is a pit which contains gray matter, the nature of which I do not know. And around that pit is what appears to be the beginning of a racetrack. There's our dump truck going back to the pit, probably to retrieve more dirt. This is a truly massive pit. Let's do a wide angle. See? Oh, here comes the dump truck with another load. It's going to do backward action. Driving in reverse. Going to go backwards. I believe it would require a certain amount of skill to be able to drive a large dump truck backward up an incline. Without wrecking the truck or without getting yourself hurt or killed. It's extending. It's extending. Extension. The load is being dropped. It's a big load. It's a very big load. Look at that extension. Wow. Tremendous extension. There's a Naira water truck watering down the track. It's being used to run today's races. Wow, that was a massive extension. Very impressive. Very long. And now the bulldozer is smoothing things over. See, after the truck drops its load, the smooth the bulldozer comes in to fix things up, to prepare for the next load. There's other equipment there not being used. I think the work here goes on 24 hours, 7 days a week, except in inclement weather, or I should say bad weather. Inclement, big word. Bad weather, small word, means the same thing. Look at the scoop on that bulldozer. It is a big one. That could take in a lot of dirt, do a lot of shoving, a lot of lifting, a lot of moving. Look how nicely the dirt was smoothed out. Whoever is operating that vehicle is doing a tremendous job and probably has a great amount of skill. Here comes a dump truck. Another load. Whoa, boy. Wow. Oh boy. Is this exciting or what? Okay. It's turning to its left, and it's going to be going in reverse very soon. Action at the track, Belmont Park. The trucks are moving dirt. The bulldozers are smoothing it out. The track is being watered. Look at this. So much action at the track. Lots of action. While races are being run, dirt is being moved. People are making bets. Time is going on. A pit is being dug. All kinds of activity. Time for extension. It's going to be extension. The truck is extending. The truck is extending. The dirt is coming up. A big load is being deposited. It's a big one. Very big one. Wow. Is this exciting or what? There you go, back into the pit. Into the pit. Sounds so ominous to get more dirt. Back and forth, in and out, up and down. Opposites coming together to produce a synthesis of activity. It all comes down to something being done. It's not just that something's being built, it's that the process is in place to get it done. To me, that's as significant as the final product itself. That people are able to get it together enough to organize themselves and organize their resources to actually build something. That in of itself is an accomplishment of tremendous proportions. You got to plan it out. You got to finance it. You got to get a crew. You got to put together a table of organization. You got to put together who's in charge, who's going to do what, when it's going to be done, and to synchronize everything, coordinate things so that every all the pieces are working together. Look how skillfully the bulldozer smooths over the dirt as another load is being delivered. Here comes another load on its way. Oh boy. Oh boy. Is this exciting or what? The dump truck is going to be delivering another load, and it's going to be a big load. And it does it with skill and finesse and caring. Look how nicely the truck goes in reverse. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. Up the incline, so slowly, gracefully. The load is in the process of being delivered. The truck is going in reverse, approaching the point and the time when that load will be deposited. The bulldozer is waiting eagerly for the deposit to be made. There's extension, there's extension. The load is being deposited. The load has been deposited. There goes the dump truck. Back to the pit. While the bulldozer does its job, its noble work to smooth over the area, to prepare for the next load. There's something sublime about this. It is poetry in motion. I know that's a cliche, but in this case, it's really applicable. It really is applicable. I had a little thing in my voice for a moment there. Look look how deep this pit is. Deep into the earth. The digging, the digging. They dig. They move dirt. They make mountains. From the flatness of a field, there is now a large canyon and a large hill and a high hill. The bulldozer does its noble work, smoothing the dirt, smoothing it out, making it nice, inviting for the dump truck. And when preparations are completed for the next load, the dump truck can arrive, bring its load, and make its deposit. From time to time, they take a rest. They've earned it. They stop work for a little while, take a break, and then back they go. More digging, more excavating, more depositing.